Stella, what's going on? Huh? What's going on? You having fun? You sitting in Mommy and Daddy's bed? Huh? You sitting in Mommy and Daddy's bed? You sitting in Mommy... What's that? Are you screeching? Are you screeching? Uh-oh. Oh, there's some... Yeah, that's... lube. Baby lube. Let's get that away. It seems dangerous. Okay, what are you screeching? Oh, no. You screeching? Stella. Huh? What's that? What's that, little girl? What's going on? Screeching? Can you make a screech? Claw face hand monster for babies. Oh no! What's that? What are you doing? You sit up on your own in Mom and Daddy's bed? You don't say. Tuckered out? It's about a little past 9. It's like 9:10, so it's probably about time to go to bed. Uh-oh. Did things go from good to... Yeah. Alright, let's give it one more good holler. Well, there we go. We're transitioning from happy into tired. You can tell with the addition of that right there. Now screech. Oh, you want to eat, don't you? There we go.